Dear students, how are you? Uh, Hope that everybody well by the grace of Almighty. Uh, Now, I taking a class in class 9-10, subject science. I am Abhiyabhav Manoj Das, lecturer biology, Islamabad College at Surkhana. Now, chapter 12, chapter 3, this chapter they know about heart. Heart, we can discuss about heart and its related different discussions such as blood capillaries, blood corpuscles, and plasma, and different topics. Now, everybody follow the board. Heart, blood classification of blood. Blood may be classified into main two groups, such as main two parts, such as one plasma, blood corpuscles, blood corpuscles. Plasma means the blood fluid. It is 93% of blood. It is 10 to 8 to 10% blood corpuscles. Plasma divided into another two groups. Let us say organic components and inorganic components. Organic components and inorganic components. Organic components have only 8 to 9% and 0 to 1%. Blood corpuscles. Again, blood corpuscles mainly three types: WBC বা white blood corpuscles, RBC red blood corpuscles, and another platelets, platelets. WBC another name. It is another name lymphocyte. It is mainly two groups, two parts, such as granulocyte, and granulocyte. Granulocyte are mainly two parts: lymphocyte and another monocyte. Granulocyte mainly three parts: one neutrophil, part 2 eosinophil, and part 3 basophil. Now, dear students, at a glance, you follow the board and classification of blood at a glance. Main blood divided into two groups: plasma, which is 90 to 92%, blood corpuscle 8 to 10%. Plasma mainly divided two groups, two parts: organic components and inorganic components. blood corpuscles mainly three types: WBC or white blood corpuscles, RBC or red blood corpuscle, and platelets. WBC বা white blood corpuscles mainly two groups: agranulocyte and granulocyte. Agranulocyte, white blood corpuscles group, it is mainly divided into main two parts: lymphocyte and monocyte. And granulocyte mainly divided into three parts: neutrophil, eosinophil, and basophil. Now, dear students, discuss about heart. Draw the figure of heart. Heart is very important in our blood circulation, in our physiological process. Blood, everybody follow the board and the figure of heart, how to draw this. Everybody follow this. Everybody follow this. Dear students, everybody follow this, how to draw heart. Everybody follow this, how to draw in the heart, how to draw. Arrow mark indicate the blood flow through heart. Which way the blood pass through the different portion of heart, this indicate giving the arrow mark here. Now label this figure. Label is very important of figure because the label diagram is always coming in the exam. Draw the label diagram of heart, and it is circulation of blood. Then the aorta, pulmonary artery, pulmonary vein, left atrium, bicuspid valve, left ventricle, left semiannular valve, left inferior vena cava. Another side, right atrium, tricuspid valve, right semiannular valve, right ventricle right ventricle and inferior vena cava. Figure longitudinal cross section of heart aroma indicate blood flow. Dear students, again at a glance, follow the board and look at the figure. It is a very important figure for your study, and different level are given there. The right side, your right side, and figure left side. Your left side is figure right side. Upper aorta and pulmonary artery. Next, the pulmonary vein and left atrium. The chamber, upper chamber, left side left atrium, and the valve. Valve is bicuspid valve, and lower left lower chamber, this is left ventricle, and left seminilar valve, and left inferior vena cava. Another, your left side figure right side, right atrium and tricuspid valve, right ventricle, right seminilar valve, and right inferior vena cava. This is figure longitudinal cross section of heart. Arrow mark indicates blood flow. Dear students, now in this figure we discuss about the blood flow by heart. This is very important for your exam. Everybody follow this and look attentively. At first blood into the right is superior vena cava. At first, blood entered the right superior vena cava. Next, right atrium. Next, atrioventricular valve or tricuspid valve, right entered the right ventricle. Again, the blood entered pulmonary artery. Pulmonary artery too, that is the pulmonary artery, the right enters this, and another lung. Next, the blood flow, the blood enters the lung, and next pulmonary vein. Pulmonary vein, and again pulmonary vein to left superior vena cava. Left superior vena cava to left atrium. Left atrium to left atrioventricular valve or bicuspid valve. And another next blood flow in the left ventricle. Left ventricle to left seminilar valve to aorta, left seminilar valve to aorta to whole body. And blood flow, dear students, follow this. The right side of the lung at first enter the blood into the right superior vena cava, and right atrioventricular valve or tricuspid valve, right ventricle to right seminilar valve, right seminilar valve to pulmonary artery to aorta to lung, pulmonary aorta to lung to pulmonary vein, and next blood entered the left side of lung, the left superior vena cava, and left superior vena cava to left atrium to left atrioventricular valve or bicuspid valve to left ventricle to left seminilar valve to aorta to whole body. Dear students, everybody follow this. The blood flow or supply the blood by heart, and which portion the blood flow in this heart. At a glance, the flow chart, drawing a flow chart of blood flow by heart. Look at the figure. Flow chart, right right superior vena cava. Right superior vena cava, right atrium. Right atrium to right ventricle. Right ventricle to pulmonary artery. Pulmonary artery to lung. Pulmonary artery to lung. Lung to pulmonary vein. Pulmonary vein to left superior vena cava. Left superior vena cava to left atrium. Left atrium to left ventricle. Left ventricle to aorta. Aorta to whole body, and again right superior vena cava. Everybody, dear students, follow this. The flow chart of the blood circulation by heart. At first, blood entered the right superior vena cava. Next, right atrium. Next, right ventricle, and to pulmonary artery. Pulmonary artery to lung. Lung to pulmonary vein. Pulmonary vein to left superior vena cava. Left superior vena cava to left atrium. Left atrium to aorta and whole body. Aorta to whole body, and whole body to right superior vena cava. That is the figure of flow chart. Flow chart of blood circulation by heart. Dear students, now our discussion matter is know about heart. Everybody already know heart and different parts, and blood circulation by heart. In which way blood circulated by heart, and the flow chart it will be. This is very important topics for your exam, and everybody practice again and again, then you can take this level. Thank you. No more today.